Look, a lot of things what he put in this hole.
I see.
A lot of things. That's a lot of stuff.
Yep.
I'm gonna make a hole and put lots of stuff in it. Like iron. Yeah. Hey. Hello. Sorry. I put. You know, Joel can go through stuff. Oh. Because I just saw a Joel go through stuff. But Henry, I'll show you what this is, okay? I'll show you what this is, okay? Look, I'll show you what this is. People. Wait a minute, what's people? This. And this. I want to see which one. This one. See? Oh, that one I don't have. Oh.